a parent, you would wonder that how you can make the brain of your child be more focused and at peace. So there are these 5 thumb rules that you should know and should always remember. The first one is sleep. Please make sure that your child get minimum 10 hours of sleep. The child should sleep by 8 or 9 p.m. and should be up by 6 or 7 a.m. in the morning. Late soker, late utna is a big no for the child. One is calm environment. Ghar par mama, papa, brother, sister, they all should be connected in togetherness. In a day, the family should always spend time together. It can be silly dancing, it can be pakram pakrai, it can be a storytelling session, it can be a pillow fight session, but you all have to be together and spend good quality time with your family members, with the child. Now the third one is free play. It is very important for the child's nervous system for them to have at least 1 hour of outdoor play to connect with the mother earth, to socialize with the surroundings and have a proper brain development. The fourth one is healthy nutritious food. Anything packed available in the market or anything available at any departmental store is a big no for the child. घर का बना हुआ healthy nutritious खाना which should be directly from the stove to the child's stomach should only be served to the child, nothing else. The one is rhythm in the routine. There should be a rhythm in the routine that should be followed in the child's day. That is, a military routine should be followed. Same time पर उठना, same time पे खाना, same time पे सोना should always be ensured so that the wiring of the brain doesn't get disturbed. The child's brain psychology is not disturbed and the brain is not haywired that late सो के उठना, कभी odd hours में खाना, late jagna should not be there. A military routine of the child should be followed. If we are missing out any of these, then the child will definitely be cranky and will show us the tantrum. So to have a good routine and a happy healthy child, please ensure that these 5 factors are taken care of properly to raise a happy healthy brain and the child. Thank you.